Alright, we've got an icom power supply here. The ps125. And the problem is, the switch is bad. It won't turn off. So, I'm going to get the cover off of this and see if we can get to it. Well, you certainly can't complain about their shielding. So, I've removed all the screws around here. I can get into it and see it, but I can't move it good enough. So, I'm just going to take the shielding off. Alright, so this is a good excuse to get inside of here and show everybody what it looks like inside of one of these. It's a switcher. Unfortunately, it's got some decent RF protection on it. Let's see, so now that we're in there, we can probably just replace this with a common switch. So, there you go. So get in here and push these tabs, and then you can pull the face off of this guy. Alright, so there it is. I'll just see if I have one or not. I don't know if I do. Turn the flash on there. So let's see, what does it say here? It says $250 volt. Does it say 80 amps? I don't know. Anyway, we'll see if maybe it's fixable, because it's just stuck. It's absolutely hilarious. I pull it out and all of a sudden it works. This is actually a good switch. It's made in Japan. So it's rated at 80 amps. 10/80. So I'm not really sure what that means. I can't see this thing pulling 80 amps. But, never know.